Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications in Google Messages. So first I want you to make sure that you have the last version of I want you to make sure that your Google Messages app is up to date. So after that we will dive into what we are going to do. So secondly, I want you to go through your app, and right here I want you to look for the top right corner, your profile picture, your Google profile picture. Tap on it, and right here go into the message settings. Okay, let me show you where is the message settings. It's right here. Tap on it. Okay, and right now I want you to go into notifications option, the second one. So here you can choose a specific notification that you want to turn off, either the badges or the floating notifications, or the lock screen notifications. That's when you are on the lock screen of your phone, you don't want this notification to be visible on it. So you can just turn it off, and also you can choose the specific ones that you want to turn off. And also, if you want to turn off every notification in Google Messages, you can just go to the first one on the top, the show notifications, and tap on it, and it will be off. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.